Good morning, Miss Roselle. So, here is my explanation of the code number 2. First is the using system. Conditional line is the namespace which contains fundamental classes and base classes that define commonly used value and reference data types, events, and event handlers, as well as interfaces and attributes. The next is scanning align a class speeding ticket calculator. Conditional line is used to create objects and encapsulate data and methods. The next is scanning static void main. Conditional line defines the main method, which is the entry point of the program. Then the static means that this method belongs to the class itself, rather than an instance of the class. And conditional line, the next line is the bool calculation. Which conditional line is declares a boolean variable, calculate, then initialize it true, then this variable will control the loop that allows the user to calculate multiple finds. The next is scanning while calculate again. Conditional line is loop that will continue to execute as long as the calculate again is true. Then this allows the user to perform multiple calculations without restarting the program. The next, kaning console write enter the speed limit. Kaning siya nga line kay a prompt to the console asking the user to enter the speed limit. Next, kaning int speed limit int that parse console. The red line is conditional line is input from the console. Then it converts from string to an integer using kaning int that parse, then stores it in the variable speed limit. Then next is kaning console write line. Console.write, then enter the ticket speed. Conditional line kay is prompts the user to enter the ticket speed. Then enter ana, then int ticket speed, then int that parse console.readline. Line. Conditional line kay it reads the ticket speed from the console, then it converts to an integer and stores it in the variable. Then next, kaning console right, enter your year in school, kaning freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. Is condition line kay prompts the user enter their year in school. The next anag enter kay ding string year in school. Then console the red line kaning trim to lower kaning siyang line kay reads the user input, removes any leading or trailing white space with kanang trim, then convert it to lowercase with to lower, then mo stores ni siya in the variable year in school. The next kaning double find, calculate fine, speed limit, ticket speed, and year in school. Kanang line kay the speed limit, ticket speed, and year in school as arguments. The result is the calculated fine is stored in the variable fine. The next one, if find in greater than 0, kali siya kay indicating that the driver was speeding. Then console the right line, the total fine is kaning fine F2 conditional line kay outpost the total fine to console format to 2 decimal places using the using format. Then sound kay kaning else, then console right line no fine, then you are within the speed limit conditional line kay indicating that there is no fine. Then kaning next console that right, do you want to calculate another fine meaning na yes or no? Okay. This line key to indicate whether they want to perform another calculation. The next kaning stream response console the red line the trim to lower. Okay. This line response trims white space and converts it to lowercase, storing it in the variable response. Then calculate again, then equals response, then dayon yes di kani siya nga line kay updates the calculate again variable based on the user response. Then if user type yes, then it calculate again will remain true and the loop will continue, then otherwise it will become false and the loop will exit. Then the next kaning kan elf is your school speed limit fine else define plus equals 100 define equals 50 and then return fine. Then we have to try not to run. And that's all, miss. Thank you.